I was trying to film this with the door closed and it's like a million degrees in here. What else is new? Look at, why? Who needs this many lights? I don't even do my makeup in here. Anyway, so we are going down to New Orleans today to go stay at the W and do a hotel collaboration. This is all I'm bringing, just Simone. So we have some dresses, we have my brush, we have my wet ones, always and forever. All my makeup's in here. I haven't done my makeup yet. I just put on some, let's see, what do I have on? I have on this Coola Sun Silk Moisturizer. I have on this lip sunscreen from Coola, Purple Sky. I have on hand screen, and I have on this Pixie primer. So that is it. We are about to get on the road. I have to still put my shoes on. You can't see me. Hi, I'm back. And yeah, we're gonna head out, me and Simone. So let's do this. I just got in the car. It's not October 9th, 2010. I don't know why my car resets to that. But I do want to show you that it's 89 degrees. Thanks. I hate it. Okay, so it's gonna be obviously a very hot day. We're gonna make the best of it. Okay, I'm in room 409, so we're gonna go that way. But when I first got off, I went this way, of course, because got confused and I was too excited. But I did want to show you how cool the design in the hallway is. I was having a chat with the guy who was at the front desk. He's so nice. We're gonna be best friends now. But he was telling me, here I am, 409. He was telling me that the like thought behind the design of this hotel is for it to be all kind of like spiritual and like the ethereal world and all these beautiful kind of New Orleans themes. And it is that. It's so amazing. Okay, so let's start in the bathroom, which very cool color. I love it. It's kind of like, oh, what's that? Okay, it was the first time I'm seeing that. But I love this kind of like peach summery tone. That's so beautiful. Okay, so bathrooms when you first walk in. Oh, actually, there's a little closet when you first walk in, which is where I hid Simone so you wouldn't see her. But then look how cool this is. So there's just tarot cards all throughout the hotel. I'm still learning tarot, okay? So I think this might be the Emperor, which, I mean, a good sign, I think. So he's there, and then we have our beautiful king-size bed here. I love this room. It's so light, it's so airy. It's pretty minimalist, which I'm into. I love the colors up here. That's actually the color we're painting the roof at my house. And then, so here's our tarot guy again. Here's our bed. And then I have this amazing view. And you can see the courtyard over here. And you can see the pool over there. I'm gonna go shoot down there later. And look, all the tarot cards. Let me zoom in. Ooh, let me not drop my key. Let me zoom in. But I just think that is the neatest touch. I love it here so much. So yeah, I will show you more later. If there was a word to describe this hair, I think it's destroyed. Also, I just like ripped my dress off because I was so hot, but I'm about to do Fallon is, look at this. What happened? I had to have the window open to show you all the view, and it just went, I don't know where to look. It just was so humid in this room, and my hair said, we got time today. So I was like, Fallon, please bring clips and ponytail holders and your straightener, we'll figure it out. I'm about to do my makeup, so this is what I brought with me. I have my handy Pixie travel bag that I always have. Just my brushes. I'm gonna use this quartet, I think is what it's called on the website. I actually haven't used these outside. Wow, I haven't used these outside of that unboxing video I did forever ago. I'll link it somewhere on the screen. But yeah, I'm gonna use this quartet and these pretty kind of muted fall, more fall, but a little bit of summer colors, and maybe this blush stick. What is it actually called? Oh, On the Glow blush. I might use that for my lip color if I can figure it out. So I'll be back looking hopefully better than before. I was gonna turn the thing around, but I don't know how to do that. Okay, I have my mask on, so this might be a little muffled. Sorry. But this is the courtyard. I think my room, I don't know. I'm not sure which one it is. But this is the courtyard, so I think we're gonna have dinner here later. And then this is the pool. It's so loud, I can't record anything. There's Fallon. We're gonna eat. Morning guys, so I'm going to take you through a little walking tour of the quarter. I might not talk that much because I have my mask on, but I just want to show you some of the sights. So I'll point out stuff that is probably like well known, but I'll just show you a little bit. It's 8, 9 in the morning, I don't know. But so you see there's a W, there's SoBou where we had dinner last night. So I'm just going to walk you around a little bit. All right, I'm going to put my mask back on because there's a million people and we'll just stroll. Okay, so that is the bottom of the teacup over here. Across the street. You can see the cathedral down there. I'm gonna walk you that way. But this is really famous. It's like kind of a spirituality shop, psychic readings. You can go and get your tea leaves read and all other kinds of readings there. So I'll just walk you around. We're on Charter Street right now. That's where the hotel is. I hope y'all can even see because it's like so bright outside. Okay, so let's cross here. It's a little shadier over on this side, but that's the Essential Business District. So we're on Conti. I'm just gonna walk y'all down here, and then we'll go back to Charters. Obviously in French it's like Châtre, but I just say it how we say it in New Orleans. I just wanted to show you this, I'm not sure if it's a business or residential, but it's just like very typical New Orleans architecture and colors. If we would have shot in the courtyards today, I would have come and shot here. Okay, New Orleans balconies. I feel like I'm doing all this. There's another like really typical New Orleans kind of French Quarter balcony. I feel like I'm gonna cut out all this narration because I have to hold the camera and walk so far. Okay, so here we're at Charters and St. Louis, and I just wanted to show you on the ground. This is like very famous in New Orleans, having the Charters and then St. Louis on all the streets, so you know where you are in the quarter. And then you can see it says Rue de Chart and Rue de St. Louis, so it is in French as well. Okay, so this is St. Peter, and you don't see it at all. It's too dark. But this brings us to Jackson Square. And then the river is down that way. There's less people here, so I can actually breathe for a second. But yeah, Jackson Square is very famous. I'm sure most of you have heard of it. There is the Cathedral. I'll try to get in front of it. Louisiana State Museum Cabildo. It actually feels really good because you can see it's gonna storm, which I love. Okay, so let's go into Jackson Square. There's the famous statue. And there is the cathedral. I'm definitely getting rained on, but I love it because it's so hot and humid. Fountains. Here we go, welcome to Jackson Square. I'll give you a map in case you ever come. It's truly raining, I love it. There we go. I feel like from the front view it's kind of more iconic because you can see the statue than the church, but I'm trying my best. Okay, there it is. Just want to give you an idea of what it's like when it rains in New Orleans. It doesn't rain, it pours. I kind of like that I got stuck in the rain because I don't know, it puts me in a good mood because I love the rain so much. But good thing we got to Jackson Square right before, right? I guess my walking tour is over. Look, stop. Literally, it's a sign. I think my walking tour is over. Thank you for coming along with me on my, I don't know, 24 hours in New Orleans, hotel collab, W hotel, whatever all this was. And I will have to do more next time. I have another one in July, so stick with me. Like, comment, share, subscribe, come back. And thank you so much. Mwah! Goodbye.